Hey guys, welcome to another week of online learning. So I know a lot of you have been excited about learning about space. So this is the first week that we're going to be reading our first book. So I'm super excited for that. I know I had a lot of fun reading all of the responses that you had for me from last week when we learned about space. I know a lot of you learned a lot and knew a lot about space, so I'm super excited about this unit. I'm going to show you the first book that we're going to read. We're going to start with the book Planets. And I'm super excited because I know a lot of you were asking me that you wanted to learn more about the planets. So this book is going to help us a lot. I am going to be reading the book and you are going to be watching me read the book through some videos. But if you want a copy of the book, it is under the assignments tab next to where you clicked Google Forms. You are going to see a small tab where you can download the book into your device, okay? So let's begin.